Namaste to one and all. I am Shreyas Shivadas of class 8B and today I am here to speak on topic Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is an initiative of the Government of India to celebrate and commemorate 75 years of independence of progressive India and the glorious history of its people, culture and achievements. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that freedom struggle and ideas, achievements, actions and resolve at 75 have been decided as the five pillars to celebrate 75 years of independence. The Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi inaugurated the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav by flagging off Danti March from Sabarmati Ashram, Ahmedabad on 12 March 2021. The history of India and its independence is an epic in the freedom fight and a challenge to destiny with the beginning of a new era. Each year, India tries to unfold itself with vibrant hues of pomp, progress, and perseverance. Diving deep into the reels of India's history, we get to see how our freedom fighters and the sons of India fought for winning the battle and envisioned rising India to be an independent nation. Their invaluable sacrifices led us to live today in a civilized state with each night sleeping comfortably on our bed. It is an inspiration to all our youth to have the courage and religiously celebrate the pride of being born in this country. India have gone through several changes over the years. From political arena to the social life, Indians have witnessed major changes in their lives. Be it physics, maths, medicine, chemistry, literature, music, film, sports or space, India have achieved new heights. India becomes one of five nations in the world to launch a nuclear submarine named INS Arihant. The Mars orbiter mission MOM was successfully launched in 2013, making India the first Asian nation to reach Martian orbit and the first nation in the world to do so on its maiden attempt. Now is the time for each one of us to take a pledge again on our duties towards the nation. That's what Gandhiji and Constitution maker B.R. Ambedkar told men and women to vote for post-independence, but ponder over what Gandhiji told us that is relevant even now. The true source of rights is duty. If we all discharge our duties, right will not be far to seek. If leaving duties unperformed, we run after rights. They will escape us like a will o' the wisp. The more we pursue them, the farther they fly. Thank you.
Namaste. India achieved independence on August 15, 1947, and this year we celebrate 75 years of independence. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is an initiative by the Government of India, inaugurated by the Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi to celebrate and commemorate 75 years of independence of progressive India and the glorious history of its people, culture and achievements. The celebrations will focus on the achievements of India in the field of social progress, economic development, science and technology, and celebrate the cultural diversity and heritage of the country and its people. The Prime Minister said that 12th March is a special day in the glorious history of India, as it was on that day in 1930 that the iconic Dandi March led by Mahatma Gandhi began. 91 years later, we commenced Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav on 12th March 2021 to mark 75 years since independence. Prime Minister flagged off a foot march from Sabarmati Ashram to reenact Mahatma Gandhi's Dandi March. The 25-day Padayatra was undertaken by 81 people to cover a distance of 241 miles. Prime Minister said that Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav means the elixir of the energy of freedom, nectar of inspirations from freedom fighters, nectar of new ideas, nectar of new resolutions, and the nectar of self-reliance. The Prime Minister also emphasized the need to honor the lesser-known freedom fighters and their sacrifices which cannot be repaid. The Mahotsav will be celebrated as a Jan Utsav in the spirit of Jan Bhagidari throughout the country. The Prime Minister reiterated five pillars, that is freedom struggle, ideas at 75, achievements at 75, actions at 75 and results at 75 as the guiding forces for moving forward, keeping dreams and duties as inspirations and which would include the feelings and desires of 130 crore Indians. It is important that we remember men and women who had the generous concern and brave commitment to sacrifice their primaries for us today. Let us pay our tributes to the martyrs who sacrificed their lives and who pledged to create today's India. Thank you.